On 2nd of August 2022 at around 4:52 hours, some unidentified persons exploded a device at Police Post N under the jurisdiction of Police Station Gul. Raman district was already put on high alert in the run-up to Independence Day, and the sentry was alert, due to which the terrorist exploded the device in front of the barrack of Jawans but could not succeed, as he fired a round immediately when he heard the blast. Due to this explosion, two police personnel, namely follower Lal Singh, 55F, and SPO Shakil Ahmed, 23 bed number, sustained minor splinter injuries. The unknown terrorist, taking advantage of the darkness, fled from the spot. On this, a case FIR number 69/2022 under section 307, 120B, 121 IPC and Explosive Act was registered in Police Station Gul and investigation was taken. Soon after the incident, security forces including JKP, Army, CRP launched a massive joint operation in the jurisdiction of Ind and Gul and adjoining areas in order to apprehend the persons responsible for the attack. During the course of investigation, IO visited the spot along with FSL team and collected several evidences from the scene of crime, including trace of explosives used and footprints of the terrorists. Also, a handwritten piece of paper was found near the post which claimed the attack, and it came to fore that JKGF, that is Jammu Kashmir Ghaznavi Force, had claimed the responsibility of the attack. Investigation revealed that JKGF earlier used to have presence only in Rajouri Poonch districts of JKUT, and in view of this, I contacted SSP Rajouri, who disclosed that one Talib Hussain, son of Haider Shah, resident of Draj, Buddhal Rajouri of LET outfit, who was arrested on July 4, 2022, during his sustained questioning, had revealed that he had visited Gul area of Ramban district in 2021 to give money to a person who is resident of Gul area. During his sustained questioning, had revealed that he had visited Gul area of Ramban district in 2021 to give money to a person who is resident of Gul area. Acting on this lead given by Rajouri police, intense cordon and search operation was launched in Gul market area, and after thorough search and linking of the input, one suspect, namely Shahadin Padyar, son of Abdul Sattar Padyar, resident of ward number 4, Gul, was picked up for question. The suspect was put to sustained questioning, during which he confessed to the hatching of criminal conspiracy to the effect of reviving the militancy in Ramban area, which was to start with the onset of lobbing of this explosive device on the police post in. After further questioning, he further disclosed the identity of his accomplice in the conspiracy as Muhammad Farooq, son of Sanaullah, resident of Mahakund Gul. They used to act as handlers of the JKGF, wherein they were given funds from the Tanzim and were in the process of recruitment of the youth to revive militancy in district Ramban. The two persons, namely Shahadin and Muhammad Farooq, during sustained interrogation, confessed that Muhammad Farooq had received cash amounting to the tune of 50,000 from one person whose identity is yet to be ascertained, and who had assigned the task of attacking security forces establishment to both Shahadin and Farooq. The bank statement of Shahadin Padyar was also obtained and perused, which also corroborated the facts revealed during his confession. It was also found during investigation that the claim for the blast was written in the handwriting of Shahadin Padyar. Prima facie, it reveals that the handwriting of Shahadin Padyar matches with the handwritten note that we got from the scene of crime on 2nd of August. Moreover, from the possession of Muhammad Farooq, 3 SIM cards have been recovered, apart from his mobile phone, which was already carrying 2 SIM cards. The electronic surveillance team of District Ramban is further working on technical inputs to establish further evidence. After this revelation into the instant case, new sections of Unlawful Activities Prevention Act 1967 under the sections 16, 17, 18, 18B Muhammad Farooq. 3 SIM cards have been recovered, apart from his mobile phone, which was already carrying 2 SIM cards. The electronic surveillance team of District Ramban is further working on technical inputs to establish further evidence. After this revelation into the instant case, new sections of Unlawful Activities Prevention Act 1967 under the sections 16, 17, 18, 18B, 19, 20, 38 and 39 of UAPA have also been added. More arrests are expected in the instant case after the identification of the person who were financing these two terrorists. I would also like to announce that DIG DKR Sunil Gupta sir has announced reward for exemplary bravery displayed by the sentry, and I would like to place on record the commendable teamwork which has been displayed by my officers. Today SDPO Ghoul could not be with us because he's not well and he's running high fever, but he ensured that even during this proper coordination is done and his work is not affected in any way during the entire investigation. In his place, DSP headquarters Pradeep Singh Sen, he took stead in the case and ensured that things are worked on ground in the absence of SDPO Ghoul. I would also like to share that similar enthusiasm was displayed by all the SHOs and ICPPs of the subdivision Ghoul and SHO Ramban and my own TPO's IT wing, who tirelessly worked day in and out to solve this case, which ultimately we were able to crack within 72 hours of the blast. Thank you.
मैडम, ये जो सीजर क्या क्या है जो पैकेट में पड़ा सामने?
देखिए, सीजर में इसमें 50,000 रुपीज़ जो मैंने आपको बताए थे कि उसने कन्फेस किए हैं कि मुझे मिले थे फॉर दी ब्लास्ट, इसके अंदर होगा।
मैडम, जो शाहदीन वगैरह जो पकड़े गए हैं, ये जो फैमिली जो होती है फारूक वगैरह, इनकी कोई फैमिली हिस्ट्री रही है, कॉन्टैक्ट्स रहे हैं फिर मिलिटेंसी से? कोई
इनके थोड़े से कॉन्टैक्ट्स जो हैं वो इनके आ रहे हैं सामने, बट एज सच ये हमारी OGW लिस्ट में फिगर पहले नहीं करते।
तो इसका मतलब है कि ये न्यू एंट्रीज हैं।
यस।
तो एक तरफ से तो गवर्नमेंट कभी क्लेम करती है कि मिलिटेंसी हैज बीन कर्व्ड एंड न्यू मिलिटेंट्स एंट्री नहीं हो रही है, नई भर्तियां नहीं, रिक्रूटमेंट नहीं हो रही है, तो इजंट इट एन अलार्मिंग सिचुएशन?
Solve this case, which ultimately we were able to crack within 72 hours of the blast. Thank you.
मैडम, ये जो सीजर क्या क्या है जो पैकेट में पड़ा सामने?
देखिए, सीजर में इसमें 50,000 रुपीज़ जो मैंने आपको बताए थे कि उसने कन्फेस किए हैं कि मुझे मिले थे फॉर दी ब्लास्ट, इसके अंदर होगा।
मैडम, जो शाहदीन वगैरह जो पकड़े गए हैं, ये जो फैमिली जो होती है फारूक वगैरह, इनकी कोई फैमिली हिस्ट्री रही है, कॉन्टैक्ट्स रहे हैं फिर मिलिटेंसी से? कोई
इनके थोड़े से कॉन्टैक्ट्स जो हैं वो इनके आ रहे हैं सामने, बट एज सच ये हमारी OGW लिस्ट में फिगर पहले नहीं करते।
तो इसका मतलब है कि ये न्यू एंट्रीज हैं।
यस।
तो एक तरफ से तो गवर्नमेंट कभी क्लेम करती है कि मिलिटेंसी हैज बीन कर्व्ड एंड न्यू मिलिटेंट्स एंट्री नहीं हो रही है, नई भर्तियां नहीं, रिक्रूटमेंट नहीं हो रही है, तो इजंट इट एन अलार्मिंग सिचुएशन?
सी, अगर इफ दिस इज अ वन ऑफ केस जिसके अंदर ऐसा कुछ सामने आया है, तभी मैं यहाँ कहूँगी कि हमने इतनी जल्दी से इनको पकड़ा भी है, तो आगे अगर कोई इस तरीके का करने की सोचेगा, न्यू रिक्रूट्स को डालने की सोचेगा मिलिटेंसी के अंदर, तो उसको जेके पुलिस से 100 बारी डर लगेगा आगे कोई भी रिक्रूट को तैयार करने से पहले।
मैम, फर्दर सिक्योरिटी अरेंजमेंट्स क्या है 15 अगस्त के लिए? ज़िला रामबन पुलिस है वो किस तरीके से अपने मैकेनिज्म बनाई हुई है?
देखिए, हमारा 15 अगस्त के लिए अभी से ही काफ़ी तैयारियां शुरू हैं। सभी एरियाज़ में एरिया डोमिनेशन, LRPs, मॉक, कैसोस और आर्मी, IRP, ITBP जो हमारे साथ आई हैं, उनके साथ हम एरिया डोमिनेशन एक्सरसाइज लगातार कर रहे हैं और ये आगे भी करेंगे।
मैम, यात्रा अब कंक्लूजन पे है, पीसफुल तरीके से ये आज अंजाम तक पहुंचेगी, तो किस तरह के मैकेनिज्म थे, क्या कहेंगे? पीसफुल जो कंक्लूजन अब यात्रा का होने जा रहा है उस पर क्या कहेंगे आप?
जी देखिए, यात्रा के लिए भी जो तैयारियां हैं, यात्रा शुरू होने से कई महीना पहले शुरू हो गई थी और उसके अंदर भी जो डिप्लॉयमेंट का हमने 3 टायर सिस्टम सभी जगह पे लगाया गया था। हम आप सब जैसे जानते हैं कि यात्रा जो है रामबन में नाशरी पे, चंद्रकोट पे, लामर पे 3 जगह रुकती थी और यहाँ पे पूरे पुख्ता सिक्योरिटी के अरेंजमेंट्स जो हैं वो तैयार किए गए।
मैडम, इनके लिंक्स कोई वैली से हैं?
अभी तक ऐसा कुछ सामने नहीं आया।
तो ये जो है इनसे कुछ और अभी एक्सपेक्टेड है कि कहीं और किसी जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस के साथ भी इनके?
यस यस, फर्दर इन्वेस्टिगेशन इज ऑन एंड आगे भी अरेस्ट होने की इसके अंदर चांस।
ठीक है, एक शॉर्ट्स बना लेंगे।
और पूछा किसी ने?